What's up? Ready to see some awesomeness? Well, get ready and hold on to your seats. Okay, so I have this teacher, and she can be really nice. But if you ask her all these questions, she just says it's all relevant. What? It drives us crazy. Yeah, and if you don't do your work, she'll just stare you down like some creeper on the street. Do your work. Yeah, and I have this other teacher, and, she's cool, but she's just a bit bipolar. Hey guys, what's up? Sit down and be quiet. Yeah. Yeah, like one day we were eating Chex Mix in class. Well, instead of taking it up, she says, "Ooh, Chex Mix, can I have some?" That's not normal. Yeah, and I had this other teacher. Duh, Molly, you have a bunch of teachers. I realize that. But, you know what? She's not an ordinary teacher. She's a student teacher. Probably wondering, well, what's so special about a student teacher? Well, she's like off the walls insane. Now you're probably like, Molly, what does that mean? What do you mean by wacko? Well, by wacko, I mean she likes to stand on stool. Yeah, and she yells at us. She does it in her socks. Another thing she does is she has a creepy stare. Do your work. But why? Because I'm in charge. No, you're not. The teacher is in charge. Well, just do your work. Yeah, so I guess that's all I have to say about my insane teachers. So, I'm gonna go. Bye. Wish me luck at school tomorrow.